Welcome to a perfect little gym situated on a generous corner lot in Georgetown, Texas. I'm at 307 Penn Oak Drive, low taxes, no HOA. Let's have a look. I'm Jan Daum, fortunate to be a realtor in Central Texas. Come on in and see this completely remodeled single-story home which boasts a desirable open floor plan and walls of windows for so much natural lighting and never-ending views of the backyard paradise. Watch the flames curl and sway in the centerpiece brick fireplace with impressive wood mantel. The open concept contemporary kitchen has lovely upgraded granite and stainless steel appliances. Be sure to check out the gas range and gas island range hood. Restore and relax in the Posh primary suite with upgraded fan, lovely flooring, and gorgeous walk-in spa-type shower. There are 2 more spacious secondary bedrooms and a beautiful full bath. Just look at the enormous backyard with gorgeous mature trees surrounded by a brand new 8-foot Japanese cedar fence for amazing privacy. The covered patio and expansive outdoor decking make this the perfect home for entertaining family and friends. Imagine grilling, s'mores, and telling Texas tall tales out here under the shade of the gorgeous heritage oaks. And don't forget the bubbling hot tub where you can unwind and relax after a busy day. This showstopper home with its seamless integration of indoor and outdoor space is the ultimate living experience. If you'd like more information, give me a call. See you next time.